welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, look at my makeup, it's crazy, right? So I did an easy way to do the Euphoria makeup. Basically, if you are gonna go out to do your Halloween party, you don't have any type of costume, you just need your basically your palette, some strass on your lids, okay, some fake eyelashes, and a bomb-ass, like, good-looking outfit from your closet. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and please put it down below. What did you think of this makeup, and did you find it easy to watch and easy to follow? Thank you guys for watching, and let's go. So for on my eyes, and also on my eyes, and to like shape the brows, I use Born This Way concealer and warm sand, and I'm gonna like, not a lot, just a little bit. This is for both brows, so with the rest on the brush, I drag it on the eyes, and yeah, I look crazy. So because I like this to be set away, I'm gonna use the Morphe E48, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Merci, but after, to prime the eyes, using the best primer of all primers. And with the eyes, just like gonna put it. This is where I have crease on my eyes. So to do this easy fall look, we are gonna use the Jackie Aina palette. And I also like the round brow obsession, so I may go into this, but mostly we're gonna use this one. So for the shades, we are gonna use Wig, this name. So Wiggleize, is that Wiggleize? Yeah. So we of course gonna use Ginger, Edges, and Wiggles. So this one, and this one. And on the Huda, I will be using, oh my god, you don't have the colors. So on the Huda, I will be using only this red one to make it like more rich. I'm gonna start with Ginger all over. So Ginger, we're gonna put it like this. So I love to like double pack it and put it all the way on top of the eye. Gonna take Edges again. Let's go, guys. Let's put it. And Ginger and Edges again. Ooh, can you see like this color payoff? It's crazy. It is crazy. Big red color on the Huda Beauty palette. We need like this rich. And we are gonna take it like that. It should be bomb red. Oh my god, like, I love it already. I love it. So with the same blended brush, I'm gonna put Edges on it, and I'm gonna like blend everything together here, just like all over the eyes. This is our first step because it really need to be red and smoky. Same thing over here with the eyes all over. Oh yeah. So taking back the brush from Morphe, you are gonna spray water, whatever you want, and taking back this wet color, you are gonna tap it in all over here. We are going extra. Taking back the BH Cosmetic blended brush. I love this brush so much. Like, there we go. Now that we have our base, we are gonna continue with a dark color. So either to put this dark color, I'm gonna take a precise, like this blending brush, and we are gonna use Credit. We still haven't used, oh my god, I look so crazy. We still haven't used Wigless in the palette, but we are gonna use Credit, and we are only gonna put it there. Okay. Make sure you tap the excess off because we don't need to fuck it up. So if you have hooded eyes like me, this look is perfect. So you go up and you perfect. With this blending brush, we're going back with edges. Tap your excess off and put it where you just did edges. Fix press on that. And we are gonna use Wigless. So Wigless, we are gonna put it in the middle. So almost close your eyes, go. Because I have a hooded eye, I have to go higher. If you have, so you have to be touching almost Credit. There you go. And with a small, very precise brush. Wet it, girl. You have to wet it. Your hand's gonna be wet, but you have to wet it so badly. I think like damp is the key. We are gonna take zoom just to say, oh, I was there. You didn't see me at the party? You sure, girl? Look at me, I was there in a corner. Yeah, to end you will need like some strass. So we are gonna do the face first. Like that, we'll just need to put on the strass and you'll be good to go. I have the new Huda Beauty Duo Eyeliner and Liquid Lifeline Huda Beauty palette because I need to see, but I don't want to open. So it's moving. Oh my god. So I'm taking big, small, whatever. Oh my god, like I have to be, so I have to be very careful because the glue is getting everywhere. There we go, we're gonna put it there. Press it on. This is the most time that you will waste in the whole process of the makeup. I go, put it on. There we go. And you are gonna do this until that you are done. It looks so crazy. So the look is almost done. We are gonna add some lashes. So for lashes, we are gonna go cray cray, cray cray. These are F33. This is on AliExpress. So we're gonna go ahead and just pop that and I'll be right back. Okay? Okay, so this is the look. So I went ahead off camera to put mascara. I'm just gonna put like a little bit. So yeah guys, here is my Euphoria inspired cranberry makeup. I hope you guys did like it, and if you guys do like it, please subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.